Next is this box here. So let's see what we got. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA unboxing for January of 2021. That's right, it's a new year, a new you, and we're going to support our health and wellness with the Loyalty Rewards program. Basically, Christmas in a box. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. I have a package from last month that was delayed for shipping, and then I have a package for this month. So it's kind of like doTERRA LRP 2.1 or maybe 1.2. So here we go. All right, so I'm gonna open this up and you'll see we have the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. That's right, this is the vegan version. So open it up. You can see the first one is the Alpha CRS Plus. This is energy in a bottle. This supports your cells without caffeine, without sugar, and I can quickly go over some of the ingredients here. You can see them running right there. There you go. Plant-based botanicals and extracts to support you on a cellular level, plus the Tummy Tamer Blend, Cellular Energy Blend, and then the Cellular Longevity Blend. Boom. One of the three amigos. Next, in the pack, we have the VE Omega. This supports your brain, joint, and muscle function. And this contains, start from the top here, you have some vitamins, you have the vegetarian omega blend as you keep going down here, and then you have the 9 essential oils, CPTG essential oils that is, and this is the second of the three amigos. And then third and lastly we have, we have the Vegan Microplex VMZ vitamin and mineral supplement. It's not just what you eat, it's what you absorb that's important. And what we have in here, you can see the ingredients. We have absorbable vitamins right there, some minerals. Then we have some proprietary whole food blend, active enzyme blend, and the Tummy Tamer blend. So this is going to fill in the gap from what you don't get from the standard American diet. Even if you eat healthy, it's important to supplement because the soils are void of nutrients due to the industrialized agricultural revolution, right? So they don't always put back what the soil needs, and as a result, it's important to supplement and have those supplements absorb properly on a cellular level. This is the third of the three amigos, an important part. And what I do is I put these in AM and PM capsules. I put 2 of each in the AM, 2 of each in the PM, and so I'll take, that in the AM, probably around like when I wake up, around like 8 a.m., 9 a.m. or so, and then I'll take the second round around like 3 p.m. or so. So that way, I'll have sustained energy, and I can tell the difference when I don't use it. So it's definitely important to supplement for sure. Speaking of supplementing your life and building a collection, Word Guru is an app containing a collection of 5 fun and addictive word games. It has over 7,000 manually created levels and is free to play on the Google or Apple app stores. You can learn more with the link in the description area below. Alright, so next is the Terazymes right here. It's important to break things down when you eat cooked foods. So the rule of thumb is you take 1 of these if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 of these if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 of these if your meal is fully cooked about 30 minutes before you eat. And that'll lay a bed of enzymes on the bottom of your stomach so that when the food lands on top, it can be broken down, and you can see the enzymes here. So it's going to break down fats, fibers, carbs, sugars, proteins. And very important, standard American diet is missing these as well because cooked foods don't contain the enzymes. They're rendered inactive. So enzymes are very, very important for digestive and overall health. Next, we have the PB Assist Plus. And this contains prebiotics, which feed the probiotics. And the probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that support your digestive as well as immune system function, which is very important during these times and every time. It's important that whatever you do to get well, you do to stay well. And that is a very important part of this wellness lifestyle. And I put 1 of these in the AM capsule holders or the PM, and this is a part of my daily regimen as well. Then we have some oils here in the sustainable packaging. I'll have in the link in the description below which products I got for free and which ones I paid for this month as well, like I usually do. Boom. And we have first tea tree. So this is the roll-on, and this is going to support your skin. It's going to take care of those harmful microorganisms, and it's going to moisturize your skin because there's fractionated coconut oil in here. And this is going to help with ouchies and boo-boos. There you go, to make sure that your skin can recover properly. That's right, there you go. Love that. Then we have peppermint and ginger, because I use peppermint to freshen my breath, to stay alert and focused throughout the day. I love peppermint, it's one of my favorites. It's a staple, and then you can see here, there's the batch number on the bottom, so there's a little bit of glare, but yeah, you can go to sourcetoyou.com, type that in. It'll work for singles, not blends, and so you can see the GCMS test results. So you can do this for, again, all the single oils. All the single oils. All the single oils. That's right. There you go. So you can see doTERRA's quality, because they're transparent about that. Next is ginger, which I use in a number of Asian dishes, as well as 1 drop in my smoothie for some extra digestive support. And this is great because it's concentrated, easy to use, and a lot of people are like, well, why don't I just cut up the ginger and do this and do that? Well, number one, that takes more time, and it's nice to get a therapeutic version of the actual plant that's already bottled and ready for you to go and is more concentrated. So I know I've had some conversations with some Instagram people, or specifically one who's very anti-essential oil, and they are very pro herbs and pro just doing everything themselves, growing it and I'm like, well, you could do that, or you could just buy this and well, there you go. But they won't. So anyways, that's a whole nother story that we're not going to get into. Next is this box here. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the actual shipment here that was supposed to come last month, but due to some supply chain issues, they were not able to deliver it. So they got this big box for it. A lot of sustainable packaging. Oh yeah. See, it's the shampoo, and you may be like, Lance, you're bald. Why would you need a shampoo? Because I use this as a body wash as well. It lathers really nicely and smells amazing with the wild orange and lime essential oil in here, and it's a natural way to clean and wash all the places that have hair or don't have hair but have skin instead. So this is good, and I use a body loofah or a loofah rag that helps exfoliate my skin as well. So this is a really great addition to, you know, just your shower, and I love it. I love the smell. It's very, very nice, and this is the economy size as well. And so the next step with the doTERRA LRP is I'm actually going to recycle all of this stuff here, and then what I'm also going to do is put things in their place, because everything has a place. It's important that they're in their place. And then what I'm going to do is remove the barriers to use, as I've mentioned in previous videos. So what that means is I'll take the plastic off of these like this, sealed for your protection. Have trouble opening it sometimes. But yeah, I'll remove the plastics, and then I will get everything ready like this. Put them in my supplement cabinet, put them in my supplement capsule holders, put them where I can't help but use them, and anything that's not already in a supplement cabinet, health cabinet, kitchen cabinet, pantry, I will put in my kind of like storage. So I have like a little essential oil backups and essential oil like collection holders, and so that's going to help me basically go to them when I need them, like inventory, so that I always have some back stock or extra oils on hand that I can grab, so I don't have to like panic and be like, oh no, I didn't order it this month, and do an emergency order type of thing. So I try to just look to see what I'm low on, and then order the items that I know that I'll use a lot. Like peppermint, when I get down to 1 peppermint in my pantry or my storage, I'll buy another one, so that way I always have 1 on hand and 1 on the way. That way I don't run out. And over time I learn how many I use per month and stuff. But yeah, the citrus oils, the lemon, the lime, the wild orange, I use those a ton in my kombucha bottles that I used to be kombucha, but I use them to hydrate with the apple cider vinegar and reverse osmosis water. So I use those 1 drop per 4 ounces, and then all these other supplements, like the peppermint, I use about 1 a month as well. Those are probably the most frequent ones besides the Lifelong Vitality Pack, the enzymes. I use these enzymes a lot, like whenever I eat cooked foods, definitely. So other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description area below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.